Week 4, workout 1, we got some squats. I think I got 2 sets of 5 with 265, somewhere around there. Sounds about right. But anyway, as always, gonna be skipping the warm-ups. Well, not skipping them, you're not gonna see them. So yeah, straight to the squats. Alright, week 4, day 2. It's chest day. I think I have 2 sets of 10 with 170 on regular bench. Depending on how heavy or light that is, I might go up to 175, but we'll see. And then I have incline and close grip at 140 or 145, I don't remember, so we'll see how it goes. Week 4, day 3. Deadlifts, back day. Heavy weight. Right?
Sure.
You're gonna be deadlifting the most that you ever have, I think. Week 4, day 4. Today we have shoulders. I think after this week we switch up the program a little bit. I don't think it's gonna go legs, push, pull. I don't remember what it switches to, but I know that I had it change every 4 weeks to make sure that I wasn't just doing the same thing, and then I could spend more time on other body parts or whatever needs more work. So I'm pretty sure it changes next week, but yeah, this is technically the last workout of the week, but I have the option to work out, you know, either tomorrow or the day after that if I really want to work on something else. But yeah, so I have to do 115, 2 sets of 10 overhead press. It should be pretty easy. I mean, my shoulders aren't feeling as sore as they were last time I had shoulders, so hopefully this goes pretty well. And I might actually record some more, because these days, like when I only have 2 sets, it goes by pretty quick, and the clips are only like, you know, a minute or 2 long. So I might throw in a few more, but we'll see. So yeah.